So we're making a basic platformer game in Stencyl, and I have three actor types. A crocodile I'll use for the good guy, a melon that will be used for a collectible, and a snake which will represent a bad guy. You can get these characters from Stencyl Forge. Tile sets, also downloadable on Stencyl Forge. Highly recommended that you use the featured tile sets and featured actor types. So I'll click Scenes, Level 1, which I've already started. My Tile tab to build the tile. For this demo, start by building a box totally around the perimeter of your level. Now we'll click the Actors tab and place the crocodile in the level. And then we'll test the scene to make sure the game engine is running. And there we go. Our crocodile is in the level, just sitting there. We haven't coded anything, and we're going to make our first code to make the crocodile move around the screen. So to do that, on our dashboard and our actor types, we have to select the Stencyl crocodile. I already have it open in this tab. So the Stencyl book crocodile has nothing coded yet. So for our first code, we will click Add Event Basics when updating. And this is going to make the crocodile move left and right. So we first want to set X speed. Now you can find all of these items under their respective tabs here. You can also just use the search bar to find a list of items that contain the terms you need. So set X speed is what we want. When updating, set X speed to 0, which means the crocodile will stay at 0, not moving, when nothing's happening. We'll click Flow to get if, and then we're looking for user input, control. So if we'll choose a control, left is down, we'll now set the X speed to a number. Now rather than have to find it every time, if you hold the Alt key or Option, click and drag, you can simply copy this block. So we'll say set X speed to -20. Left is a negative number in Stencyl. Now we'll say otherwise if. We'll copy this one holding Alt or Option, depending if you're on a PC or a Mac. Right is down. Set X speed to +20. Now before we test the game, let's click on our level and make sure that under your Physics tab that gravity is set to 85 for a default value. Make sure you're on vertical gravity. And now we can test the scene. So I push left, the crocodile moves left. I push right, the crocodile moves right. I release the buttons, and the crocodile stays stationary. So now we are going to show you how to make the crocodile jump in the next tutorial.